LSP Technologies was developed to commercialize laser peening technology that was developed at Battelle Labs. The company was founded in 1995, and we enhanced the fatigue life and fatigue performance of metallic components.
So laser peening is a material enhancement technology that uses high-energy pulse lasers to compress the surface of metals, and that compression makes it very difficult for cracks to start in the metal, so it extends the lifetime of those parts by typically at least 3x and often as much as 10x. Dublin is very business-friendly. Well, the city itself has excellent city planners, nice mix of green space and amenities for citizens and businesses here. It makes it easy for us to retain employees, hire new employees. They come to this area, they like the area.
Dublin is very attractive to high tech. It's a bit of an incubator here. Just the amenities and the development that's happened with Bridge Park and the economic development support that we got. I really believe that we are a hidden gem. The team enjoys being here. I think Dublin is a big part of the retention as we've grown and we've hired. It's just a very desirable place for our employees to come and work, to social after, and it also very helpful as we're hosting guests from around the world to have the amenities that we do right here in Dublin.